Now we're gonna remove the wires now. But just make sure we're gonna turn each one in the same place. Don't mix between them. Okay, now after I repaired the valve gasket, ceiling, and I repaired the ceiling here, all of them. You can see it in my channel in another video. Now I'm gonna look here, as you can see it is clean now, all of them. Now I'm gonna open the plug. I'm gonna use 5/8 socket. This socket is a special one for sprocket plug. If you see it has rubber inside it, this one is gonna hold the plug when you open it. Just put it like this, open it. I'm gonna take all of them one by one, same thing. Okay, now I'm gonna put the new one. I will use this Denso. This one I got it from AutoZone. It has many different kinds. I got this. It's looking okay. Put it here first. Put it like this, and just make sure, do it like this. Make sure the thread is going in. Don't tie it if see it is too tight from the first round. Like, just put it by your hand first. It's going easy, smooth, because don't want to break the teeth inside the engine. So then it's gonna be hard to do it. We need to open new thread. It's gonna be a big job. Just do it like this by hand. When it's going to tie, just tie it. So then tie it by this. Make sure tie. Don't go too much. Just like this. I'm gonna do all of them same thing. Okay, now after I return all of them, now I'm gonna just return the wires. Just put it like this, push it a little bit, that's it. And just make sure everyone in same place. Don't mix it. Return all of them same thing. Yeah, do it all of them same. Okay, now I return all of them. And if you see here, it has like this sign. You can see which way this one is gonna be. Like this. Look, this one. If you see it's coming this way, all of them, you're gonna move it. It's gonna be easy to return the same. Now I'm just gonna return the cover. return the screws, and that's it. I hope this video is gonna helpful. Thank you.